Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to recover a disabled Instagram account. First of all, you have to open up a browser, any browser you like, and after opening a browser you have to search for recover Instagram account. And after searching for that, you can find the third option over here, disable Instagram account. You have to tap on that option. And after tapping on that option, here you can see some guidelines, and you have to tap on the fourth guideline. If someone gained access to your account or you are unable to log into your account, visit this page or your desktop or mobile browser to search your account. So now you have to tap on the visit this page option over here. And after tapping on that, now you have to choose the option for why can't you get into your account. So it might be because my account was hacked, so choose on that option. So tap on that option, and after tapping on that option, tap on next. And now you have to enter your username, phone number or email address. And after entering your username, you just have to tap on next, and then you can submit an appeal to recover that account. So you might recover your account by doing this, or you can also try another way. And just over here you can find was this helpful, just tap on no, and it will ask you what was wrong, just tap on other. And now you have to write that what was wrong with your account and why can't you recover your account, and you can submit another appeal to Instagram, and you might recover your account by doing this. So these were the only ways how you can recover your disabled Instagram account. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.